Guys, I'm back with another video, and I'm at Ernie's place, and it looks really different. There's some animals. There's stairs to get the hay. That's really different. It's really different in here. There's some llamas. Hi. Hi. A lot of hay. Holy whistling. There's a lot of new stuff he's got. Oh, dear, there we go. There's a lot of goats. Yep, a lot of goats. I didn't know they still made ribbons for 2007, guys. Did not know that. There we go. When I was young, guys, back in my days, I don't know if you can hear me because it's radio, but now you can hear me. Anyways, I milked a goat a long time ago. Like, you can actually milk goats. That's how you get goat cheese and all that kind of stuff. And I got kicked almost right here in the bad part. But yeah, it's very different. Like, see that? A lot of different installation. This is good for like nighttime or winter. Put that down, and the animals will be nice and toasty. Even the cat. Yeah. Wonder how Ashlyn's doing. Oh, she's been doing good. Yeah. I'm gonna show you guys the other part, and let Ashlyn come back to this barn. So we'll be back on the other part of the barn. So I'll be right back because Ernie has two parts of barn. Kind of crazy, right? He has one part and he has two parts. So yeah, I'll be right back with the second part of the barn. Back, here's the other part of the barn. Here's other part of the barn. Can't see if I can find roosters, guys, but that black stuff right there is poop from an animal. A lot of poop over here. But yeah, I can't get a rooster, guys. Don't see a rooster. I do see a cow, though. I do see others. Don't see a rooster. So I gotta unhook this hook. And there we go. There's a goat. There's a big llama. A cow. Some goats. Can't find any roosters or chickens, but let me tell you, there's roosters and chickens. So, yeah. That's it. That's all I have to show you guys. Because my iPod says at 20%. Almost did. So that's it. That's how I'm gonna film today. I couldn't get any chickens for you because it probably went that way, or probably went that way in their little hut. So I don't know. But there was chickens. So yeah. So please like, please comment, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Alright? See you guys later. Alright. Bye.